Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. The connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic design with a sleek built-in spoiler. You will need to ensure your spoiler is facing the correct position. The spoiler should always face towards the windshield. Slide the connector into the arm. There is a square button on the top of the connector that will click into place. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield as this will cause damage. To optimize the silicone wiper performance and activate the water repelling benefit, ensure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. Turn on wipers and wiper dry at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes.